welcome back to another Vlogmas video. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys what all I bought at Trader Joe's. I went to Trader Joe's today not knowing what I needed. I knew I wanted to get a few things and I ended up getting 4 bags worth. So I thought it would be a great time to show you guys some of the things I bought at Trader Joe's. So Lewis is also laying on the couch, half dead right now. He just ran how many miles? He ran about 18 miles because he is training for a marathon. So he's not going to be in today's video, but yeah. Okay, so I'm going to do this a little quick because I need to hurry up and get these things in the fridge and the freezer. So they actually have this cute holiday bag going on right now. It says Happy Holidays Trader Joe's. Actually it just says Trader Joe's. So the first thing I got was salad because Lewis texted me and said to get salad, but I had already put salad in the cart because we just eat a lot of salad sometimes. So I got this one. I haven't gotten it before. I'm not going to pronounce it, but it was only $2. Oh, also, at the end of this haul, I want you guys to guess how much I paid for all this. And I want you to guess how much I paid for all this as well. Much more than I expected, but it's okay, now I have food. So this is the first item, lettuce. And then I also got spinach. Honestly, I can just eat spinach by itself with some salad dressing, but I got both options. And sometimes I like to be a little fancy and put spinach in my eggs. Crap, I forgot to get... Okay, so as I was going through and getting all these items towards the end, I saw croissants. And I used to always get croissants with this chicken salad, and I used to take these on my work trips because it was just a pretty easy meal to pack. But I forgot the bread. So this is the chicken salad. It's really, really good. And you can eat this with crackers, with bread. I chose to eat it with like this croissant that they have at Trader Joe's, and I would cut it in half and make a sandwich. And then I also got this pea soup. Babe, I got one of these pea soups because this guy on my last trip was eating it and he let me try some of it. And it was pretty good, and I've never had pea soup before, so I got this organic pea soup. And I got a whole bunch of frozen things because lately I've just been feeling lazy sometimes and I don't feel like cooking. So like today, I don't know what I'm gonna eat yet, but I got a few frozen items. So I got this seafood paella, which I've gotten countless times before, and it's really good. I personally like it. I don't think Lewis likes it, but I like it. And this is super easy to pack, to make, and also meal prep for trips. Another item that I got that I never tried before was the Kung Pao chicken. I don't really like spicy food, but I don't think this will be that spicy. And if it is, I think I'll be able to tolerate it. I also got this paneer tikka masala, which I've never gotten before. I usually get the butter chicken or the, what's the other one called? Something tikka masala? Chicken tikka masala?
Yeah.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
But I don't know what paneer tikka masala is. With spinach basmati rice. So I got this. They have like 5 different options. They have one that's like lamb, and they have one that is vegan friendly. Another thing that I got for the first time is these fish nuggets. And I just think this is super easy just to pop in the oven and eat. And sorry, Lewis is just staring at me. And if he eats all my food, I'm gonna be very upset. I'm just kidding. And then I also got these for the first time. They are Philly cheesesteak bao buns. Is that how you pronounce it? B-A-O? Bao buns? I don't know. But I got these.
They're like dumplings.
Yeah, they're like dumplings. You can steam them, which we don't have a steamer, or put them in the microwave. So it's super easy. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried any of these items that I have purchased. And that was bag 1 to bag 2. Alright, so for bag 2, which I'm actually gonna hurry up and put this in the freezer, is ice cream. Last time I bought these, so this comes, I think, 8. This is a package of 8, and I bought these last time, and I think I only had 1 because Lewis ate them all.
I did not.
I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. But yeah, they're tiny and mini, so a lot of times after dinner or lunch, I'm that person that needs something sweet. So I'm like, let me just have an ice cream cone. So yeah, they're super good, and they had, this is vanilla, but they also had chocolate. I also got this organic kombucha. I used to not like kombucha at all, but then Lewis started drinking it and I tried his, and it took me like 3 or 4 tastings to start liking it, but I realized I only really like the watermelon flavor. So good. You're gonna be excited about this one. So the next item I got is organic chicken wings.
Yeah.
So whenever we run out of chicken and we go to Trader Joe's, I either get the chicken breasts or these wings, and most times I just get the chicken breast because you can make it so many ways. But I was like, you know what? I haven't made chicken wings in a while, so I got these organic chicken wings, and I love chicken wings. Like, chicken wings is that one meal that I can eat whenever. And that's it for bag number 2. I'm so tired. I got back from Quito, Ecuador this morning. So I've been up since 2:30 this morning, but I really wanted to get this video out for you guys. So bear with my crazy, messy self. So on to bag number 3, I got for the first time again this wine. Babe, look, I got wine.
Wow.
So Trader Joe's has a fairly big wine section, and I've never tried any of their wines, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get one. I'm not a big wine drinker, but I do know that I like red blends and I like sangria, and I just like sweet wine. So I got this one. It's called Dearly Beloved, and I think it's so funny because my roommates call each other beloved. So yeah, it looks like this. And of course, this is one item that I get every single time I go to the grocery store. Can you guess what it is? We run out of this all the time.
Eggs.
No, but that's a good one, but I didn't get any. It's like they name it, it's a song. Somebody's here. 1 second. Alright guys, so Lewis is currently trying to guess what we always get. It's yellow, it's fruit.
Oh, bananas.
Bananas! We go through bananas so much.
Go through bananas and eggs.
Come be in the video.
I know, but I don't feel good.
It's okay, they understand. So yeah, we run through bananas a lot because I love bananas. Lewis likes to put them in his oatmeal, in his protein shakes, and they also go bad pretty quickly if you don't eat them right away. So I also got an onion.
I think they know that.
Just in case. It goes bad quicker when you're a flight attendant because you can be away for like 6 days and come back to black bananas. So I also got a yellow onion for cooking and garlic. We always have onions and garlic. And that was it for bag number 3. Alright guys, so we're now on to the last bag, which I think is the heaviest. So I saw these and I immediately felt nostalgic because my grandmother used to get these when we were growing up, and they are, well, how do you pronounce this? Meringues? Meringue?
Yeah, meringue.
Meringue. So my grandmother, my family used to get the meringues, but like the ones that they sell in like the Spanish supermarket, that's plain. But this is mini peppermint ones. and I saw that and I was like, oh my god, I love peppermint. I love peppermint bark. I love peppermint candy. So yeah, these should taste pretty good. What are you doing?
Why are you buying more oatmeal?
Because you need more.
I just bought it. You have like 3 now. I told you I bought it.
Alright guys, so I also bought more oatmeal because I was being very thoughtful for Lewis, and apparently he just bought some more.
Well, it's gonna be eaten because I eat oatmeal almost every single day, so.
Yeah, so this is some oatmeal. It's the quick cook. Oh, this is a tongue twister. It's the quick cook steel cut oats. So, and if you guys want the recipe of how I make my oatmeal, maybe I'll make it in another video.
She makes it look like an acai bowl with all the.
It took me like a few tries to get it like perfect, but it tastes really good. Oh, you're gonna be super excited about this. So, if you guys have seen my Vlogmas #2 video where I showed you some items that I did while holiday shopping, and it's also my giveaway video, so make sure you guys check that out. I bought a $10 huge baking sheet and cupcake whatever sheet. So I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, we're gonna make these. And it's this cookie mix, and it's 3 different flavors. So there's toffee oat, cinnadoodle, and triple chocolate cookie mix.
Yeah, it looks good.
So I'm super happy about this. It's like they have like a whole holiday section, and this was there, so I'm super excited about this. We might make this tonight, maybe? Or tomorrow?
Maybe.
So maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow, and I will vlog that, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I have 4 more items left, and the next is our all-time favorite salad dressing from Trader Joe's, which is the organic toasted sesame dressing. And what got me liking this dressing is Vandala, my old roommate that lives in New York. She got this and I got it, and I tried it and I loved it. So if you guys have not tried this dressing, you totally should. I also got this organic oregano just to have. We have so many spices, you guys. I love our spice cabinet. Look at this. It might be a little messy, but look at all of these spices. And the last 2 items are this creamy tomato basil pasta sauce. I usually try to always have pasta sauce or tomato sauce, just because we like to make pasta. So I don't think I've gotten this one before. If you guys haven't noticed already from this video, I like to try new things. And then the last thing I got were these veggie sticks. I was contemplating getting regular chips, but I was like, you know what, let me just be a little bit healthier and get these. And also, this was like $1 and it's a big bag. The other chips that I would have gotten were like $1 for like this much. So that is all for my Trader Joe's haul. Comment down below what you guys think all this food costed me. Babe, how much do you think I spent? And hurry up because my battery's dying.
$120.
$120. You're incorrect. So I paid $80 for 4 bags of food. I do highly recommend, if you're gonna go grocery shopping, to make a list. But I was just I wasn't in a hurry because I have nothing else to do today, but I just really wanted to get to the store before traffic started, and yeah. Do make a list so you guys don't overspend. I'm going to try and from now forward create a list, see what I have, see what I don't have, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas video. Comment down below what your favorite item is that I purchased, and if you shop at Trader Joe's, what are some of your Trader Joe's items that you love? Don't forget to hit the like button if you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you want to see more content, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.